Ever stressed about the safety of your home while juggling life? Same here, until I found Blink Outdoor's smart security camera. Imagine this, I'm chilling, get an instant alert on my phone whenever there's movement around my house. Boom, no more constant checking. And guess what? It runs for 2 whole years on just 2 AA batteries. Seriously low maintenance. Secure your peace. Grab one now.
Worried about those blurry security cam moments? Me too. But since I got Blink Outdoor, it's been game changing, even in storms. Crystal clear HD means I see everything day or night. Trust me, it's like having X-ray vision for my house. Feel secure, sleep better. Click now and transform your safety with Blink Outdoor. Don't wait till it's too late. Worried about tough weather? Don't be. Blink Outdoor Smart Security Camera handles torrential rain or blazing sun like a champ, perfect for all crazy Texas storms. And talk about clear footage, you get stunning HD quality. Saw every detail when a package dropped at my door last week. Plus, customizable motion zones mean you'll only get alerts that matter, like no more pings for the neighbor's dog barking. Ready to upgrade your security game? Grab yours now and feel secure rain or shine.
Want to feel secure without the hassle? Check out my latest fave, the Blink Outdoor Smart Security Camera. Installed mine last summer. Since then, zero worries about changing batteries. This thing lasts 2 whole years. So easy. Caught that? Crystal clear HD makes faces and details super visible. I recognize my kid's friend at the door while chilling inside. Downpour or blazing sun, no sweat. It's weather resistant. My backyard cam keeps an unwavering watch no matter what. Feel safe and chill. Snag yours now, you won't regret it.